Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, guys? We're guys giving you another reaction. Hey, guys, today we are with Vybz Kartel and Wayne Marshall. Yes! Vybz Kartel and Wayne Marshall collab from them time there. This are probably Kartel first big song. Wayne Marshall did done establish already. This is Kartel first big song. So it's coming up to the big concert. You know, tomorrow the concert. Today the 30th. Tomorrow the 31st. Big concert tomorrow. So I could get to the mood and drop some of them classic banger, you know. I could drop some of them banger, yeah. So Wayne Marshall and Vybz Kartel, new Millennium. This is a medley. Also, why you doing it? Yes? Why you doing it? You know you should be doing it. You know that song there? Let's jump in it and hear what I want, man. Let's go. Let's go!
Up to the time, down to the minute. Some boys say them a roll deep. Fools, them all deep. Pain me. I'm say out to the minute. Some boys say them a roll high.
Business roll by.
I'm here say down. You know we rated as number one up to the time of Vybz Kartel. Start
well. Jamaica's worst
gamer. Talk and I, with the back of the talk and I. Talk a lie, split for light, split so till me high. Talk a fly, create a give me style up in the sky. You gonna watch me like up to the time, down to the minute. Some boys say them a roll deep. Them all deep. I'm say out to the minute. Some boys say them a roll high. Business roll back. I'm here say down. You know we rated as number one up to the time of Vybz Kartel.
Ready.
You know me cock and I, in the back of the talk and I. Talk for life, split for light, split so till me high. Talk a fly, create a Guinness pile up in the sky. You wanna watch me like a spy, Kartel no shy guy. Me not gonna lie, y'all them so them want me bone high. Them get high, driving into the 320i. In a July, the pressure on them, me apply. I feel like every day they cry. Tell them, it's how the new millennium and different thing I want. Marshall and Vybz. Up to the time, down to the minute. Some boys say them a roll deep. Them all I'm say out to the minute, some boys say them a roll high. Business roll back.
Remember say we live stream tomorrow, yeah? Remember say we live stream tomorrow, so subscribe right here. We buy we ticket already for the concert. Ready?
You know me cock and I, with the back of the talk and I. Talk a lie, split for light, split so till me high. Talk a fly, create a Guinness pile up in the sky. You wanna watch me like a spy, Kartel no shy guy. Me not gonna lie, y'all them so them want me bone it high.
Them get high,
driving into the 320i. In a July, the pressure on me, me apply. I will not let me be a cry. Tell them, it's how the new millennium and different thing I want. Marshall and Kartel, I go create a sound.
when the man them said this is a new millennium, a different thing I go on, the man them literally changed the whole fucking scene, brother.
It's how the new millennium and different thing I want. Marshall and Kartel, I go create a sound. And when you see us in the club, I see us in the dawn. Adjust the pressure we apply, we are gonna turn it on. This is a new millennium and different thing I want. Marshall and Kartel, I go create a sound. And when you see us in the club, I see us in the dawn. Adjust the pressure we apply, we are gonna turn it on. Cold Guineas are hot Guineas, fuck me no business. Me no wrap up like my paper in a Wrigley's.
Cold Guineas are at Guineas, but me no business. Weed me a wrap up like 5 paper in a Wrigley's. Baba clap!
Them say cold Guineas are hot Guineas, fuck me no business. Me no wrap up like my paper in a Wrigley's. So what's up here, woman a straight, that's my business. Y'all a brace me something till it feel like the West Indies. But how y'all a rock home, like it's easy.
Yo, big up Pelpa time. A long time Pelpa time. Them a do them thing, you know. Pelpa time, big up on yourself. Pelpa time, get a break out.
Y'all a brace me something till it feel like the West Indies. But how y'all a rock home, like it's easy. She a do what you please, over the right, together the leeches. If I'm back to my dancing, we're gonna bust in a 20 pieces. Call me new releases on the film and rebel in a pieces. This is the new millennium and different thing I want. Marshall and Kartel, I go create a sound. And when you see us in the club, I see us in the dawn. Adjust the pressure we apply, we are gonna turn it on. Up to the time, down to the minute. Some boys say them a roll deep.
Oh, this is not ready for tomorrow.
I'm
What do you say? We're not ready for the concert. Big up all that people that's gonna be there live. But big up all that people that's gonna be on the live, watching live, while I'm live. You know what I mean? Let's go! Bumbo clap, yo!
You know me cock and I, with the back of the talk and I. Talk for life, split for light, split so till me high. Talk a fly, create a Guinness pile up in the sky. You wanna watch me like a spy, Kartel no shy guy. Me not gonna lie, y'all them so them want me bone it high. Them get high, driving into the 320i. In a July, the pressure on them, me apply. I feel not every day they cry. Different thing I want.
Yeah, big up
Marshall and Kartel, I go create a sound. And when you see us,
so big up Dan Carleon, a film production this. Big up myself.
turn it on. This is a new millennium and different thing I want. Marshall and Kartel, I go create a
change the
sound.
game with
And
that
when you
song,
see us in the club, I see us in the dawn. pressure we apply. We are give a damn say. Walking is a hot grease. Fuck me no business. Me no wrap up like my paper in a release. So it's a play, woman a straight. That's on me business.
Look how futuristic the vehicles are.
And just the pressure we apply.
Look what
We
the
are give a
vehicles
damn say.
are.
Walking is a hot grease. Fuck me no business. Me no wrap up like my paper in a release. So it's a play, woman a straight. That's on me business. Y'all a brace something till it big like the West Indies. But y'all a rock home like this.
Yo, big up all the people that live for see that day, yeah. And big up all the people that gonna live for see tomorrow, live for see history in the making. Ready again, boy. Hold on.
This is the new millennium, a different thing. And when you see us in the club, see us in the land. Adjust the pressure we apply, we are gonna turn it on. This is the new millennium, a different thing I want. Marshall and Kartel, I go create a storm. And when you see us in the club, see us in the land.
Hold on. Who else have a bad song pan already, man? We no wanna friend from them boy that yo.
Adjust the pressure we apply, we are gonna turn it on. 5 up, yeah, come knock it off. So if that's the pan, the road block it off. If I slap it up, if I pop it off, them search and can't find everybody laugh. Yo, liquor sell off, that a buckle with a cart off. So if that's the pan, the road block it off. If I slap it up, if I pop it off, them search and can't find everybody laugh. Yo, liquor sell off, that a buckle with a cart. Promoter and him friend, them a laugh. How them laugh? Cha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. How them laugh? Cha-la-la-la-la-la-la. Marshall and Kartel, I go create a storm. And when you see us in the club, see us in the land. Adjust the pressure we apply, we are going.
Remember say this is a medley now.
Millennium, a different
Remember say this is a medley now. So wait for the next song, wait for the next song.
When you see us in the club, see us in the land.
Hold
Adjust the
on,
pressure
hold
we
on.
apply, we are going. They said the collab was nice. We have to do it twice. Up to the top.
Yo, them time, yeah, no matter what, when Marshall and Kartel touch, a hit. No matter what them, yo, that duo ya was crazy, dog.
You know it's Kartel.
Yeah.
Doing Marshall.
You got do all of them.
Why you do it when you know you shouldn't be doing it? Why you doing it when you should be? I know you never see a curry or a stew in it. So why you doing it? Why you doing it? Hey? Why you do it when you know you shouldn't be doing it? Hey? Why you doing it when you should be?
I wonder if we and Marshall are going to walk out in the early segment and do them collab here. Hold on, watch that now.
If a foreign you get it, nobody bring it out ya. You not deal with the chicken, why you eat the coleslaw? Are you not in a vegetable, why you eat the torture? And when you see us, see the pressure and the drum it. They said the collab was nice. We have to do it twice. Up to the top. You know it's Kartel, Wayne Marshall. Ask him, why you do it when you know you shouldn't be doing it? Why you doing it when you should be? I know you never see a curry or a stew in it. So why you doing it? Why you doing it? Hey? Why you do it when you know you shouldn't be doing it? Hey? Why you doing it when you should be? I know you never see a ackee or a stew in it. So why you doing it? Why you doing it? If a foreign you get it, nobody bring it out. You not deal with the chicken, why you eat the coleslaw? Are you not in a vegetable, why you eat the torture? Me I'm Shirley biscuit, drink two from without straw. Man a pitchy like, no fire as a me salsa. What him do to little kid, in a Tessarossa. Secret pop out, like bread pop out a toaster. Look on the notice board like a poster.
Yeah, big up Dan Bumbleclad Carleon, now. One Dan Carleon, now. Yeah, man, I want Dan Carleon, man. Yo, like me say, I them sang a Vybz Kartel, bro. Big up Wayne Marshall, same way from them time until now. You see me? But like me say, a concert tomorrow. Yes, Freedom Sea concert. Yes, National Stadium. We will be there. From here. You know, from the safety of our home, we will be there live. Yes, we will be there. So make sure you join us. You know what I mean? But yeah, big up on yourself. Let me know what you guys think about them all classic, yeah? And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Yeah!
Jamaica's worst game.